YouTube, this is your boy Shape is back in another video of flawless haircut transformation. Guys, in this video you will find the most satisfying haircut transformation for black guys. Don't skip this video, watch this video till then you will enjoy. Uh, Step by step skin fade haircut transformation gonna be. Wow, that was literally flawless fade transformation. We are moving the next one, and this guy have beautiful 360 waves, and yeah, he got also high mid fade on the side, and it's looking pretty handsome. Okay, we have another overgrown hairline issue. And as you can see, that guy got perfect shape of line with low mid fade, and that was crispy circle transformation. And we are moving the next one, and this is gonna be a best shape of line haircut transformation. This guy have some overgrowth here, and this barber just gonna solve the problem. And here you can see the process has been started, and yeah, here is the final product. And that guy got perfect shape of line. Wow, that was literally flawless transformation. He got perfect shape of line. Yeah, that was life changing transformation for this guy, and yeah, he got perfect shape of line and doing some. We are moving to shape of transformation, and this barber is creating a perfect line. There is no C cup. Okay, we have a little guy right here, and he got huge hair, long hair, and let's see the final product. Yeah, he got most beautiful medium wavy hair, and he is looking pretty handsome with that haircut. Oh my gosh, look at this one. We got 2 years old kid, and yeah, he's looking pretty confident. Oh my gosh, look at this mid fade. That was literally crispiest mid fade haircut transformation with perfect shape of line. Big chops transformation gonna be. That was literally flawless and huge transformation, a huge chops, low mid fade. That was literally flawless transformation, and we got another big chops transformation. Oh my god, that was literally eye-catching transformation. Look at his twist palm. Now he's looking pretty handsome. he got completely new life. Okay, we are moving the next one. Wow, that was crispy. Yeah, that was crispy. Okay, we got another big chops transformation, and let's see what's gonna happen because I think this guy looking for some afro and okay, yeah, low tattoo. The most probably, yeah, it's low tattoo. This barber just saved you. Okay, we have another similar problem, overgrowth on forehead, and this is gonna be a best pushback lineup here for tutorial. This blade is so sharp. Yeah. Okay. And doing some makeover work, giving him eyebrows. Oh my god, that here is the final product, and that haircut was just crispiest one. This barber just changed his life because this guy have some huge overgrown hair on the forehead, but this barber just make a perfect shape of line, give him a perfect services, and that was life changing transformation. Okay, the mid drop fade. Here we go. Here is the final product. That was perfect mid drop fade, and we are moving another huge chops transformation, and most probably this haircut gonna be the last or second last one. I hope you had enjoyed all of this crispy haircut transformation. I will mention all of these barber in my description box, so if you wanna visit that barber, yes, you can just click link in the bio and you will get redirected to these barbers page and you can book your appointment. I think you have to visit that barber before getting a new haircut from other barber because this barber was flawless. I hope you had enjoyed. Like, share and subscribe our channel.